No. Derrick is looking at apartment. No. Soon as him go back to Jamaica, he want to live comfortable. He want to live comfortable people. If any good some American in the comment, I know in the way of renting, make we know now. Please and thanks. No prank, no prank, no prank, no prank. Please, me I beg you, no prank, no prank. I'm sick of the people. I'm sick of the people every day when I get up and talk about homeless. I don't homeless. I just don't have a second place for myself. I don't walk with bag over my shoulder. I'm paid and sleep in a place. Top up the see Derrick on the art me. The clip on the art me for Derrick team. Clip on the art me for Uncle Derrick.
Yeah, just click the heart me, or you could just send him a heart me as well. You'll be a part of his team.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mishibu. Thank you, Mishibu.
I leave in Jamaica. I leave in tomorrow, and I need assistant help. I want to go to the mall, go buy something, and I don't see anything right now. Anybody willing to give me a little donation, please and thanks.
Right, any donuts, any money gun, any heart me, any finger heart, any rosa, any gift is appreciated. Uncle want to do a little more shopping. All gifts are accepted, and he also has Cash App. Just click the link in his bio and you'll see the Cash App information.
Yeah. Tap the scream, guys. Tap up the scream. Tap the scream, guys. Tap up the scream. Morning.
Morning, Uncle.
Oh.
Wagwan.
Good there.
Derrick, morning. Trini in the house, Derrick. Big up your damn self.
Okay.
Yeah, big up yourself. I always watch you, man. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself, Trini.
Yes, Trinidad in the house. We love you, Derrick. We love you.
I gave you a follow, hot girl.
God, Rosalie said, Rosalie now working, Rosalie no work, a blood clot. Rosalie man no work, Rosalie no work, a man no work. How people man Rosalie left after. Look into it, people. Only look into it. Rosalie have a man. The man no work, Rosalie no work. Where blood clot Rosalie get money from? Now people give Rosalie money for a big pussy. Rosalie don't work. Rosalie don't have work. Rosalie don't work. Rosalie just sit on a big pussy in her bed and get money. All the kids ain't go to work. All the kids ain't go to school. All they get food for nyam. Now beg Rosalie come and like and beg. You know, wicked blood clot, you know. Now beg Rosalie come and like and and she have a blood clot, man. If you go get up and go look work though. And if Rosalie want go dash her belly, Rosalie come and say she want to dash her belly. Rosalie say she want to fix her blood clot mouth to get it to fix her blood clot mouth. Rosalie say she want to go Panama. The Panama she want to go there go fix body. Run out for that topic. The Rosalie want to do body. Rosalie want to do her fix her body. Rosalie want to fix her blood clot by the DR.
You know, so I shouldn't check the email him first. Should I just go to mute my mic?
The girl says she want to go to body, and she want to go to body, and DR to fix her body. Her body not right. She want to fix up her body. And we there
Thank
so
you,
now look
Triple
some gifts doing
JJ,
it.
for the donuts for Uncle. Thank you, Triple JJ, for the donuts for Uncle. Thank you, Empress, for the roses. Thank you.
And
Right, Derrick,
then
as
I do
soon as I
nothing for uncle.
recharge,
Then I do nothing
I
for
will
uncle.
handle you. Alright, as soon as I recharge, I'm trying to recharge. As soon as I recharge, I'll handle you. You mustn't worry, you mustn't take on people, Derrick, right?
Eh?
You mustn't take on people, man.
Taps and roses, guys. Missy woman, I beg you nothing.
It have people that
Then
love
bring
you.
me down, my friend. Then bring me down, hot girl.
Gaza.
Then bring down.
People have that. I'm a little distracted. Hush. I didn't hear you.
Oh, make them run with it, uncle. Talk the things, them.
Yeah. But my says she want to go fix her body. Her body look bad.
Hey, someone are easy. Someone says she and the name front. Why?
这个生理控制模型的这个运动控制是行业员所承受的过程，在他能承受的范围之内。目前我们看这个飞船已经载入大气层了，也就是它已经进入黑障区了。在黑障区大概会持续多长时间？速度是多少？飞船在黑障区呢，大概持续4到5分钟的时间。当进黑障区的时候，速度大概在7.6公里每秒。而出黑障区的时候，大概会达到200米每秒，速度会减速到200米每秒。那吴老师在进入黑障区的这一段时间，航天员的体感怎么样？对航天员有没有影响？
对航天员的体感是很明显的。一个就是他的这个过载，因为有3到4个级的过载，所以他感觉到这个力